Hi guys! Overlooking restaurant ba ang hanap nyo? With playground para sa mga kids, pang pamilya at hindi crowded yung place? Tara, dito lang yan sa Wendell's at the Perch Highland. Located at Sun Valley Estate Subdivision, Kogyo, Antipolo City. Open sila ng 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. on weekdays and 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. naman on weekends. Ang lawak ng kanilang alfresco area and maraming food choices. They serve Filipino comfort food and some of their classic favorites are crispy pork, kare-kare, grilled steaks, and fresh seafood. Since morning kami pumunta, kaya we ordered their breakfast meal. Sosilog, bagnet silog, and pizza. Then, coffee to enjoy the scenic city view habang nakatambay sa kanilang alfresco dining. So if you are looking for a place or restaurant na tahimik with overlooking city view, this is the perfect resto for you. Till our next food crawl, bye!